Very good morning to all of you, my dear student. So it is a very new chapter for you, algebraic expression and identities part 2. So I am going to be explain you exercise 6.1. A lot to know, a lot to discuss, but before begin you have to open your book and copy and watch this video very carefully. So student, in the first question, write the degree of the following. Okay, in this question you have to write the degree. Student, remember one thing, degree means highest power. Here is x to the power 4, here is x to the power 3. Which is greater, x to the power 4? X to the power 4. That's why the degree of this equation is 4. The degree of this equation is 4. In this b part, 3 by 2 by to the power 5 minus 1 by 4 by to the power 3 plus y. Now you have to compare all the power. Here biggest power is 5 and here is 3. Student, you have to find the big power. Here is big power is 5, that's why the degree of this equation is 5. Now it is a very important, if here is nothing, here is only single variable is 9, the degree is 0. देखिए, अगर कोई भी वेरिएबल अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन नहीं होगा आप उसको 0 कंसीडर करेंगे. डिग्री ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज 0. Now same as D part, 53 x to the power 9 minus 16 x to the power 8 plus 7 x to the power 5 plus 4. In this question, in this whole question, the biggest power is 9. That's why degree is 9. Degree is 9. देखिए, सबसे बड़ी पावर को आपको फाइंड करना होता है. Student, now the question number 2 is which of the following expression is a polynomial or not. देखिए, it is a very important thing. आप कैसे बताएंगे कोई नंबर पोलिनोमियल है या नहीं है? You have to always look the power. If the power in the root value, suppose x to the power root 2, it is not a polynomial. X to the power 1 upon 7, it is not a polynomial. X to the power minus 9, it is not a polynomial. जब किसी के ऊपर पावर नेगेटिव हो, पावर फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू में हो, पावर रूट में हो, that can be say that it is not a polynomial. So in the first question, power in the negative term, answer is not. And now you have only look the power. Here is 1 power, here is 2, here is 3. Yes, it is a. Here is power in the fraction value. When the power in the fraction value, we can say that it is not a polynomial. Okay, आपको केवल क्या ध्यान रखना है, पावर अगर रूट में है, if the power in the root, in the fraction form, in the minus term. Okay, now the very new question 3, it is a very important. Put the most important mark in this question. Write the following polynomial in the sequence. आपको sequence में लिखना है. Sequence means a question is x square plus 4 plus x to the power 3 plus minus 7x. Means you have to arrange it with the according to the power. Firstly, you have to note down biggest power is 3. Now smaller than 3 2. Now single 1 power. Now only 4. Means you have to arrange in the descending order. Same here, it is a different question. X square minus 1 x square plus 4, x square minus 1 x square plus 4. In this question, student, you have to multiply by this x square to the x square, this x square to the 4, x square multiply by x square plus x square multiply by 4. Now minus 1 multiply by x square, minus 1 multiply by x square, minus 1 multiply by 4, minus 1 multiply by 4. Now x square x to the power 2 x to the power 2 x to the power 4 plus 4x square minus x square minus 4. Now student, remember one thing, when the power in the same, when the algebraic expression having the same power, you have to solve it. Here 4x square minus x square, 3x square. Your answer is x to the power 4 plus 3x square minus 4. Alright. Now the C part of this question. Student, here is x plus 5 upon 6 multiply by x plus 5 upon 6 upon 5. Now student, here is 5 upon 6, here is 6 upon 5. So same as the previous question, you have to multiply by x multiply by x. Now x multiply by 6 upon 5 plus 5 upon 6 multiply by x. Now 5 upon 6 multiply by 6 upon 5. Now using the cancel out method, you have to cancel out 5 by 5. 6 by 6. Now here x square. Now here 6 upon 5x. Here is 5 upon 6x plus 1. These all the number is cancel out. 6 is cancel out by 6. 5 is 5. So now student, here denominator are different. Denominator are different. You have to make the denominator same. You have to make the denominator same. So you have to multiply by 6 in the 5. Here you have to multiply by 5. 5 6 is 30. 5 6 is 30. Now 6 5 is 30. Both the denominator are same. When the denominator are same, you have to note down one time denominator. 6 6 is 36x plus 5 5 is 25x plus 1 as it is. कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. You have to remember one thing. You have to make the denominator same. Now my dear student, here is x square plus 36 plus 25 61x upon 30 plus 1. It is your answer. Student, if you have any problem, any doubt, drop me a comment. I will explain you. Thank you for watching it.